Welcome guys. In this video, I will write the C++ program that will ask the user to enter two numbers and then will display their sum and difference. So first of all, create two variables to store the numbers entered by the user. So declare two variables of integer type num1 and num2. After this, prompt the user to enter the first number. So cout, enter the first number. And after this, use the cn statement. Cn is used to get the user input. The value user will enter will be stored in the variable num1. After this, prompt the user to enter the second number. Cout, enter the second number. And store this number in num2 variable. So cn num2. Now after this, display the sum of these numbers and difference of these numbers. So to display the sum, cout sum of the numbers is so what is the sum? Sum of these numbers will be equal to num1 plus num2. Plus num2. After this, display the difference of these numbers. Cout difference of numbers is num2 num1 minus num2. So let's run the program. And it prompted enter the first number. Let enter 90. Again is it asked for the second number. Let enter 10. And it displayed the sum of number is 100. Difference of number is 80. Let's run again. And enter some other values. Enter the first number. Let it could be 300. Enter the second number. Second number is 200. And see sum of number is 500 and the difference of numbers is 100. So our program is working properly.